Toxin and Poison Exposure. The list of toxins and potential poison exposure is extensive and beyond the scope of this handbook. Some basic concepts that are universally applicable for first aid providers are included in this handbook. A Material Safety Data Sheet, MSDS, is required to be available where chemicals are in use in businesses and institutions. The data sheets provide information about the composition of various chemicals and are useful when contacting poison control. To provide first aid in these situations, do the following. Call 911 EMS. Ensure the scene is safe and wear personal protective equipment. Get the first aid kit and the AED. Tell the dispatcher the chemicals involved if possible. Remove the person from the toxin or poison and seek a well-ventilated area if possible. Remove saturated clothing if present. Follow any recommendations from the 911 EMS dispatcher or the MSDS sheet. Stay with the person until advanced help arrives. If CPR is required, ensure a mask is used if possible. When treating any toxin and poison exposures, the eyes should be flushed with copious amounts of water. Acids and alkaline solutions are particularly caustic and can lead to permanent vision impairments or loss.